Hi everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Scentsy content. In this video, I would like to share a Scentsy haul unboxing with you. I have a few different wax bars and also some new releases. I have the Disney Villains collection wax bars and also something from Pixar. So without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. So first up, I picked up two Jammy Times, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very lovely. Let me read you the scent notes here. Okay. So the scent notes are: help kids drift into dreamland with this soothing blend of baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. Perfect for bedrooms and evening baths. And Jammy Time is, you definitely get the lavender, and it's like very, like, sort of like a laundry, like clean laundry type smell, but you also get that freesia, which gives it a floral note. And it's a pretty strong performer too. I really enjoy Jammy Time. I actually did a review of this. I'll link that video for you to check out. But yeah, I really enjoy Jammy Time. I like to warm this in my laundry room. So got two of those. Then I picked up a Brownie Batter, and it is a brown colored wax. Let me read you the scent notes. Rich, heavenly notes of baked brownie, cocoa powder, and vanilla bean set the stage for some serious cravings. And let me just say, when I smelled the tester of this, I was like, no, like I don't like the way that smells at all. Like, chocolate scents aren't my favorite, but I thought, let me purchase a bar and really see what I think. So this is kind of like a first sniffs. So you get the cocoa powder, and it does, I mean, it really does smell like brownie batter, like thick batter. You're whipping thick batter. And the cocoa note is very strong. So I'm going to try this just to see how I like it warmed. You know what I might do? I might do alternating warmers with this and butter pecan to give it kind of like a brownie and nuts note. You know what I mean? Like a brownie with nuts on top. So I might try that. So we will see. Not sure how I'm going to like that. Next, I picked up two black raspberry vanillas, and it is this like plum colored wax, and this is a bestseller. And this is just raspberry and vanilla. Very simplistic, very fruity, very sweet. Performance wise, I would say this is like a medium, because it's not really strong, but what I can say is that I used this the other day, and when I was done with it, emptied out I took cotton balls. I just take cotton balls and I like literally drop two cotton balls in my warmer dish while the wax is still hot, and it just soaks up all of the wax. And you know, that's the way. I don't worry about picking up my dish and dumping the hot wax and then cleaning it out. I just drop the two cotton balls in there. It absorbs, like, it's two cotton balls for one cube for medium-sized cotton balls. And it absorbs all the wax. I take those, I throw it away, and then I might take a paper towel or another cotton ball and just clean the dish. And there was another consultant that had said that this cleans your warmer dishes, and that is so true. Like, my warmer dish was pretty dirty because I had warmed churro, and I think maybe some of the wax bars have cinnamon in them, and when you warm them, it kind of like leaves residue and like this burnt type of spice in the bottom of your warmer dish, this got it squeaky clean. So after I removed the wax, I just took like a paper towel and just wiped around, and it was clean. Not one spot. It's incredible. I'm like, what is in this that is cleaning the warmer dishes? So I love this. I am always going to have black raspberry vanilla now because I like basic, simple scents too. I like plain vanilla. I like raspberry scents, and raspberry and vanilla is a beautiful, sweet combination. This one is great for if you're having company and you don't know if someone is sensitive to home fragrance and things like that. This is just kind of sweet, and it's just there in the background. It's really, really lovely. And it will clean your dirty warmer dishes. That's incredible. What is in this? So that is black raspberry vanilla. Love that. Next, I picked up a very snowy spruce, and it is this light sage colored wax. Oh my gosh. Scent notes are breathe in fresh forest air, balsam, spruce, and cedar branches. Embrace the warmth of amber and woody pine cones. So I'm smelling the bottom of the wax, guys, because that's where all of the essential oils settle. Oh my gosh. This is just like, if you like tree smells, like pine, balsam, spruce, green smells, this is just like tree heaven. It's just, oh my gosh. It smells so nice. Now this says, the scent description says it has amber. It may, because there is like this sweetness behind it or something. Oh, but it is just so wonderful. If you like tree smells, definitely try very snowy spruce. Loving that. Now, let's see here. On to a new bar. So this is Monsters Inc Monstropolis by Pixar. And it is this beautiful purple wax. I love that color. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I haven't smelled this at all. So the scent notes are, open the door to an incredible fragrance. A monster dose of mandarin, watermelon, pineapple, and lush palms await in the world like no other. I love pineapple. I love watermelon. So, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. This is wonderful. Okay, so you get pineapple. Oh my gosh. And like fruity sweetness from the watermelon and mandarin. And I am not a mandarin fan. I'm not a mandarin fan. I'm not an orange fan. I'm like clementine. Just leave it. I don't need it, but it blends perfectly in this. This smells like, do you know what? This, okay. I'm kind of revealing my age here, but do you remember Hawaiian Punch? Like back in the day. The canned Hawaiian Punch. The real thing. When it was potent, it was delicious, it was yummy, thick, juicy wonderfulness, not this watered down crap that they sell now. I don't even know. I don't even drink that. But that's what this smells like. I love this. This is going in my club for sure. It's very sweet. It's very, very sweet. So you have to like sweet scents. I do. This is very, very fruity, very sweet. Like almost syrupy sweet. This is beautiful. It's wonderful. I'm going to buy more bars of this, and it's going in my club. I love this. Oh my gosh. So this is $6.50. Whenever Scentsy teams with like, they're called licensed collections, like Disney or Pixar or like NFL, you know, it's always 50 cents more. So normally our wax bars are $6, okay? But whenever it's a licensed product, it's $6.50. So, and also remember, always bundle and save. If you're going to buy multiple bars, please bundle and save. I did a video on that, and I will link that up here. And it's not just for wax bars. You can bundle different products, laundry products, that type of thing, dish products. So just always remember that. And also, Scentsy has a clearance section. So always check there and see if there's anything there that you like. Because I want you guys to save money. I will link my website so you can go there and check out what Scentsy has to offer. And if you're thinking about becoming a consultant, please reach out to me. I would be happy to answer any questions that you have. if you're a Scentsy addict like me, you might want to consider doing that because you will get some of your money back. So, love this. Love, love, love. This is a limited time offer. So, once it sells out, it is going to be locked up and it won't be available to purchase until Scentsy decides to re-release it, if they re-release it. So, oh my gosh. Love. I need more of that. I need like 10 bars of that to start. I think I'm going to place another order and get like 10 bars. There were some other items for Monsters Inc. too. There was like a scent buddy, I think, and like Scentsy pod, which may be sold out now. Not sure about that. But moving right on. So the Disney Villains collection is available, you guys. And I have the 3 wax bars here. It is available in a bundle for $20. And it features 3 wax bars. So let me just show you the packaging. It's like this adorable book collection. It looks like books. Like you could sit this on your shelf. So let me go over to that page. What did I do with okay. So, a fierce trio of fragrances inspired by 3 of Disney's most notorious villains, the Evil Queen, Maleficent, and Ursula, the Sea Witch. The collection is packaged in a display-worthy gift box. And then there's also a warmer that is available, you guys, that I didn't get just because I'm not into it, but I'll show you. This is what the warmer looks like, okay? And it's $75. And it actually features all 3 of the Evil Queens. So, yeah, I didn't want like a witch's brewing pot in my house, so I won't be getting that. But let's start smelling these because I haven't smelled any of them. So let me go ahead and take these out. And I've got I clean everything that I touch that comes into this house because of the pandemic. So let's start off with the Evil Queen. Just one bite from Snow White, and the wax is like this rich, like a brick red color. So the scent notes are, ooh, I can smell this. It smells so nice. The temptation is too much to resist when poison apple, hidden deep in forest woods, blends the warm cinnamon and menacing black molasses. So, apple. Okay, so you get apple like immediately, like this delicious sweet apple. It's like a candied apple actually. But then you get cinnamon and the molasses. So when I smell the bottom, on top I can predominantly smell the candied apple, which I love, but when I smell the bottom, I get more of the cinnamon. And I'm not a cinnamon fan. So I don't know if this will be a repurchase for me. But if you like those scent notes, candied apple, molasses, cinnamon, then you might enjoy this. So that is the Evil Queen. And unfortunately, these bars are not available for individual purchase. You have to purchase the entire wax bar bundle. But if you have a Scentsy Club, or you can create a Scentsy Club, then you can add them individually to your Scentsy Club. So the next one is Maleficent, Mistress of Evil. And that is what the packaging looks like. And it is this deep purple color. So scent notes are, the beauty of gardenia meets malevolent musk, while juicy blood orange drips over Satsuma plum for the sweetest revenge. Now, I would just say this sounds disgusting to me. I mean, it sounds absolutely disgusting. Gardenia and blood orange, but you never know. It's not disgusting. Okay, I will say that. It's not. I'm pleasantly surprised. So you do get like this sweet blood orange. Let me smell the bottom. Let's see. And the gardenia is just, it's a nice blend. They blended it very well, actually. And it may be the musk that is blending the blood orange with the gardenia and creating this nice, sweet, orangey smell. It's nice. Okay, I am pleasantly surprised because I thought that when I read those scent notes, I was just like, yuck, that's going to be disgusting. But it's actually not. Wow. I like this. It's you definitely get the blood orange. So if you're not a blood orange fan, then no. I'm not a gardenia fan, but the blood orange with the gardenia, I think that musk just is like a perfect balancing blend. It's not bad. Would I repurchase this? No, I don't think so. But it's not disgusting. I will say that. So that is Maleficent. And, okay. Last one. Now, this is the one I'm most excited about. Not only because The Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney movie, but the scent notes sound incredible. So it's Ursula, Poor Unfortunate Souls. And that is what the packaging looks like. And it is this really pretty blue color. And let's see here. Okay. An alluring potion of wild blackberry, scarlet raspberry, and bubbly goji berry wrapped up in a vengeful vanilla silk will leave you spellbound. Now, blackberry, raspberry, oh my gosh, it sounds incredible. It's fruity. I think the raspberry is like a blue raspberry. There's something tart. It's like, what does this smell like? It smells like a candy. Like, so you get raspberry, and it's like a blue raspberry. As if scents have a color, but somehow they do. You know what I mean? So it's like a blue raspberry with berries. What is a bubbly goji berry? And it's sweet too, but maybe it's the goji berry that's like a different kind of berry. A berry that I'm not used to. It's kind of tart. But it smells like a candy. Is it like maybe a Sour Patch Kid? But it's fruity, a little sweet, and tart berries. Just imagine a blue raspberry with berries, and then that goji berry gives it this like tart element to it. I like it. I don't like it as much as I thought I would like it, but I like it. So you guys comment and let me know if you've smelled any of these and which ones you're most excited for out of this collection. And oh, this is a winner. I'm ordering like 10 bars of this, you guys. I'm not even playing. I freaking love this one. Oh, love it so much. But let me know what you think. You know, I always love to know you guys stop by my channel and also comment and let me know what you've been trying. Have you tried anything from the fall Christmas catalog? Do you like anything? If you'll be ordering the Disney Villains collection. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will link my website so that you can go check out more of what Scentsy has to offer. And as always, I'm praying you and your families are safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.